That's it, I was finished with that.
No, I'm sorry. I thought you were asleep.
Yeah, well, you thought wrong.
It's a crime that has been described as life-shattering for victims, and one the government hopes to stamp out as they plan a new law to help people who are too scared to come forward to the police. Sarah, not her real name, claims she was in an abusive relationship years ago. She says she is still too afraid to report what happened to her.
He was my boyfriend and he hurt me. The worst time was a blow to the back of the head. I was terrified. It was a very dark time in my life.
More than 1.4 million women have suffered domestic abuse in the last year, as well as 700,000 men. And in Hampshire alone, over 60,000 people came forward to the police to report the crime. The figures suggest that more people are coming forward to the police, but it's the steps after, when a victim may have to face their offender in court, that can be the hardest. This new law means that in some cases, victims will no longer be required to do that, and officers can put themselves in the witness box on their behalf. Wiltshire Constabulary is just one of the forces preparing for the new offence. One officer thinks it will have a dramatic impact on victims.
The control's been taken from them for so long by the perpetrator that by the time we get them to court, they've kind of moved on, they don't want anything to do with it anymore. We're then trying to make them drag up all over again. So I'm really positive about this offence coming out, and I think it should have a really dramatic impact.
And please.
I said no. Besides,
The new offence is expected to come in within the next few months, which the authorities hope will encourage more people to come forward. Brooke Perriam, Winchester News Online.